Hello friends, welcome to our second video this week as we look at Introduction to Microsoft Power BI. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get the Microsoft Power BI desktop application installed onto your system. My name is Mercy Consoleta-Kello. Let's get started. So, if you do not have the Microsoft Power BI desktop application already installed into your system, you have two options. If you have Microsoft Store installed, you open that. If you do not have it open, you open your browser. You open your browser and you type in Microsoft Store. Then you select Microsoft Store. Once it's opened, you come to the search bar and type in Power BI. Then you come here and select install. It will pop up a window. So under install, you click on the install button. It is starting download. It's now downloading. Give it some time to complete downloading. So now the download is complete, and now we have this option to open the application. Let's go ahead and do that. So now it has opened up. You can always just close this window. Once that's done, this is your Power BI interface. So that's been it for today. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos. Thank you and happy learning.